Yeah. Well, that's how he gets out, right? She.
Never you ever get.
So, did you just you just finished it?
Yeah.
What is it?
The Thomas Rex Breakout.
Cool. You worked on it for days, didn't you?
This is like the 4th day I've had it.
Yeah.
Finished it pretty much overnight.
Yeah, you did. You finished most of it overnight, right?
Bedtime.
So, you excited? Your collection's complete?
Yeah. Collects? What's a collect?
Collection.
Yeah.
Your Jurassic World collection.
Show it around it.
All right, well, here, you tell us about it. Show us what this
Can
is.
you help me?
What is this part that you're doing?
This is the breakout part.
This is the
It
wall.
fell apart.
Okay, so this is the breakout wall. All right, hold on a second. Look, you got to make sure that this is all the way over. If you don't put this all the way over,
This is just a playful showcase.
it will fit.
Pretty much. This is what happened to Sensei Wu's father. I mean, oh my gosh. Wu from Jurassic World's father. This wasn't in the movie.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just predicting this. Pretend. You inject the needle into the serum, and then you inject it into yourself. And then you turn into the Adominus.
Oh, so that's how the Adominus came around.
No, I'm just joking.
All right, so what else does this thing have besides the breakout wall?
The food crane.
Okay, that's cool. That's a food crane.
The helicopter.
Oh, wow, it's got its own helicopter that crashes.
And the food crane can hold the food. Dang it. Just get on there. But you have to, like, help it. You have to hold it up and help it. Like, I don't understand that. Oopsies. Can you fix that for me?
Can't you fix it? You built it.
Yeah. Can you pause it real quick? See,
Oh.
can you pause it? You have to help support it.
Okay.
And I'm going to do a little playful showcase now. I said there's going to be a playful showcase. I get annoying.
Oh, it's got one of the spheres, too.
Right. Look.
That's cool.
I think I see Adominus's work. Look.
Hold on.
The food crane.
There's the food crane.
Thank you, food crane. Thank
That's
you.
awful little space for a big dinosaur.
No, what is it?
Yeah, he can't even move his tail around.
Oh, I thought you said it's an awful lot.
No, it's a little bit.
You mean
No wonder she broke out.
she wanted to
Right?
be free with more space. But she did have a lot of space in the movie.
Yeah. So show me how the gate works.
She has to be like this. She has to be like that.
Okay. Well, either way, I wouldn't want to work here. Can you show me how the gate works?
Nobody.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, now the playful showcase, like I said earlier, but you disrupted me.
Hurry up, then.
So now,
Stop.
let's do this.
Come on.
Okay.
The video's almost over.
No! Here, can you pause it real quick? I need to get ready. The Adominus is gonna catch me! Boom. Good? Thank God. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Why did I add that? I'm not your dinner.
It's
Or
lunchtime.
Boom, boom. Is it you? Alert. Is it you? Help me! To be continued.
Dun-dun-dun.
Da-da-da. Don't end it. To be continued.